Ultimate Blueprint: How to Craft Your Own Cryptocurrency Token. From the ground up, step-by-step masterclass. Attention, this is your ticket to financial freedom. Don't any skip lose your money. Welcome to Wolver Channel, where blockchain visions transform into tangible empires. If you've ever fantasized about launching your own digital currency, today marks the end of spectating and the beginning of creation. This isn't some cookie-cutter token tutorial. This is your battle-tested manual for designing, deploying, and unleashing a fully operational cryptocurrency token. Whether it's the next viral meme coin, a game-changing utility token, or a revolutionary DeFi project, this is your moment. Stop dreaming. Start building. Step 1. Lightning-fast dev setup. Under 60 seconds. Tool of Champions Remix IDE. The zero-hassle platform to code, debug, and deploy smart contracts without touching a single download. 100% browser-based. No installations, no headaches. Built-in power tools. Compiler debugger. Flawless execution. Multi-chain ready. Deploy on Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. Your rules. Action step. Open remix.eth right now and keep this guide handy. Step 2. Crafting your token's DNA. No coding genius required. Create a new file. Name it mytoken.sol. Copy-paste a pro-grade template, or forge it from scratch. We decode every line for you. Non-negotiable elements. Token name symbol, your brand's heartbeat. Total supply, the golden number of tokens in existence. Core functions, transfers, balances, fees, engineered for profit. Pro tip, want a pre-audited, bulletproof contract? DM me for VIP access. Step 3. Compiling like a pro. Critical checkpoint. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab. Match the compiler version to your contract. Hit compile. Green checkmark? You're a champion. Errors? Crush them now, never risk a botched launch. Step 4. Deploying to the blockchain, the point of no return. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Pick your battlefield Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, you decide. Set the initial supply. Tokens will rule the market. Click Deploy, confirm the transaction. Congratulations! Your token is now alive. Step 5. Verification token import. Seal the deal. Grab your contract address. Post-deployment. Secure this like gold. Import into MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Paste the address and watch your creation materialize. You did it! You're officially a crypto creator. Time is not on your side. The market waits for no one. DM me on Telegram now to launch your token before the next bull run explodes. Delay regret. Action legacy? Contact me today and let's build your empire.